In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create a skincare brand video with AI. And this is the result of this tutorial.
Guys, I've been obsessed with this serum lately. It's like my holy grail. My skin feels so plump and glowy. Total game changer.
So to create that video, first we need to go to novoads.ai, and here you need to create an account. After that, you will arrive here, and here we need to go to the video section. Now we have to go to settings, and we are going to use the model Seedance 2.0. Now we have to click here and upload an image of our product. In this case, it's going to be a serum. So now we have to click here, and now we just have to write a very simple prompt. In this case, I'm going to use this prompt that I created, that as you can see is very simple. Actually, this prompt is going to be in the comment section. And now we have to click here and now click in generate. Perfect, now we have to wait more or less 3 to 4 minutes. Perfect, here we have the video, so now let's see it.
Guys, I've been obsessed with this serum lately. It's like my holy grail. My skin feels so plump and glowy. Total game changer.
Well, I don't know what you think, but personally, I like it a lot. The video looks really realistic, the dialogue is really good, and the quality of her camera is literally better than mine. So if you want to do a video like this one, remember that the prompt is going to be in the comment section, and you can try Novoads AI for just $1. This is literally less than a coffee. So I recommend you to try it. So well, after saying that, if you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment section and see you in the next video.